Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy wooden Christmas tree with 2 scraps of wood. All the materials that you will need to make this project are 2 scraps of wood, a piece of paper, a pencil, scissors, and something to cut your wood with. The first step of this project is to take your piece of paper and cut it as wide as your thin board. Now that that is done, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Now, take your piece of paper and cut out the design of your Christmas tree. Now that you have your design cut out, lay it on top of your first board. And then trace along the edge of your pattern. Now that you have your pattern on one piece of wood, do the same thing to your other piece of wood. Now that you have both of your templates drawn, take one of the boards and lay it on top of the other in the middle of the Christmas tree, and then trace about halfway up on each edge. Now do the same thing with the other tree, but drawing your lines going the other direction. Now that that is done, cut out your pieces of wood. Now that you have the pieces cut out, you can slide them together to make a Christmas tree shape. Just like that. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.